In this video, we listed the 5 best dashcam under $300 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hongqi Hong Qi HS5. The Hongqi Car DVR is a specialized driving recorder designed for specific vehicle models, notably the Hongqi HS5, 2019 to 2022. It boasts advanced features such as a large f1.6 aperture lens for improved color accuracy and low-light performance, as well as 4K Ultra HD video recording at 30 frames per second, enabled by the high-performance Novatec 96670 chipset and Sony IMX335 sensor. The device supports dual-channel recording with a 170 degrees wide-angle view, ensuring comprehensive coverage of driving environments. Key features include loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, built-in Wi-Fi for mobile connectivity, and waterproof construction. The installation is simplified, enabling a plug-and-play setup while maintaining the car's aesthetic. With various special functions like motion detection, automatic white balance, and intelligent anti-shake, it is designed to enhance driving safety and provide crucial evidence in case of incidents. The product comes with a 1-year warranty and requires external memory support, Class 10, up to 128 GB, for optimal use. Overall, this high-end dashcam offers a blend of professional-grade features and user-friendly installation, making it an ideal choice for vehicle owners seeking advanced surveillance capabilities. Number 2. LINGDU LD08 Dash Cam. The LINGDU LD08 5K 3-channel dashcam is a high-performance car DVR designed for optimal safety and recording capabilities. It features a maximum video resolution of 5K at 25 frames per second and supports multiple channel configurations for front, rear, and interior recording. Equipped with a wide 170 degrees view angle and advanced functions such as night vision, G-sensor, built-in GPS, and a 5 GHz Wi-Fi interface, this dashcam offers comprehensive monitoring for drivers. The device includes 128 GB of built-in eMMC memory, eliminating the need for external storage, and operates effectively in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Other highlights include voice control, parking monitoring, and loop cycle recording, ensuring seamless operation. With a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, the LINGDU LD08 aims to provide drivers with peace of mind and enhanced security on the road. Number 3. ZJCGO DVR Dash Cam. The ZJCGO Car DVR is an advanced vehicle dashcam designed for specific Jeep Renegade models from 2014 to 2023, boasting high-quality recording capabilities. It features a dual-lens system with a maximum front camera resolution of UHD 2160p, 3840 by 2160, and an optional UHD 1080p rear camera. With a 170-degree wide-angle view, it captures comprehensive footage while supporting loop cycle recording and a range of video formats including AVI, MOV, and MP4, using efficient H.265 video coding. Additional functionalities include a G-sensor for collision detection, night vision, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a waterproof design, enhancing its reliability and performance in various conditions. The device is corded electric with no battery life concerns, made easy for installation without interfering with vehicle safety features. It also includes multiple language options for both the on-screen display and app compatibility. With a robust data storage capacity of up to 256 GB and built-in smart technology like wide dynamic range and automatic white balance. Number 4. ANSTAR Car Dash Cam. The ANSTAR Car DVR is an advanced 10-inch rear-view mirror dashcam that combines cutting-edge features to enhance driving safety and convenience. Equipped with a dual-lens system and full HD 1080p recording capability, it provides clear video footage both in front and behind the vehicle. The device boasts a touch-screen display with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a wide viewing angle of 170 degrees, enhancing usability. It supports various video formats and includes features such as motion detection, night vision, GPS tracking, and Bluetooth connectivity, making it suitable for real-time surveillance and monitoring. Additional functionalities include a G-sensor for incident detection, loop recording to save vital footage, and a 24-hour parking monitor. The dual SIM and Wi-Fi capability allow for internet connectivity and remote monitoring through an app. With a maximum external memory of 128 GB and a host of special features like a built-in microphone and a DAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, this device aims to improve driving safety and provide a comprehensive view of surroundings while on the road. Number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro. The Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel dashcam combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to provide unparalleled vehicle monitoring. Utilizing the advanced Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, this dashcam captures stunning 4K resolution video during both day and night, ensuring clarity and detail, such as reading license plates. It offers versatile recording modes, allowing users to record simultaneously from the front, interior, and rear cameras, with options for rotation and low-light capabilities enhanced by its infrared LEDs. Equipped with smart features like 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video access, built-in GPS for location tracking, and 4 parking modes for continuous surveillance, the N4 Pro prioritizes safety and convenience. Additionally, it incorporates hands-free voice control, a durable dual capacitor designed for extreme weather conditions, and comprehensive support, including an 18-month warranty, making it a reliable and essential companion for any driver.